Indoor plants for improving indoor climate control. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. In today's fast-paced world, we spend the majority of our time indoors, whether at home or in the office. However, the air we breathe indoors can sometimes be more polluted than the air outside. Household pollutants like chemicals, dust and even some building materials can contribute to poor indoor air quality, which have adverse effects on our health. One effective and aesthetically pleasing way to combat indoor air pollution is by incorporating indoor plants into your living room or in working spaces. These green companions not only add beauty and tranquility to your surroundings, but also act as natural air purifier. In this video, I am going to tell you the name of the best plants that will improve indoor air quality, will make your environment healthier and more enjoyable. You don't need a huge terrace or balcony. All you need is a little space right inside your home for these beautiful and useful indoor plants. Creating a green corner inside your home does not simply mean adding greenery. The indoor plants interact with our body and mind in ways that help us to enhance the quality of life. Indoor plants will refresh the indoor air. Plants are known to absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. Thus, incorporation of plants in interior space can increase oxygen and reduce carbon dioxide level. Even in night, succulents, orchids continue this process of taking carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So, they are the best bedroom plants. Placing air purifier plants in bedrooms will help refresh air during night, helping us having a good night's sleep. Indoor plants are natural humidifier and cooler. As a part of photosynthesis, plants release moisture or vapor into the atmosphere. The process is known as transpiration, and due to this, plants can act as humidifiers and coolers. They help to maintain the humidity and temperature to optimum range for human health. Areca palm, aloe vera, fern, ficus trees are excellent examples of best indoor plants providing cooling effect for our comfort. Indoor plants are natural air purifier. It has been studied and proved that plants can remove up to 87% of volatile organic compounds like formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, carbon monoxide from the indoor air. Some indoor plants have natural scents. Peace lily, snake plants, spider plants, Boston fern, aloe vera, English ivy, bamboo palm, gerbera daisy not only purify air but also eliminates bad odors from your home. Whereas fragrant herb, lemon balm and rosemary, and fragrant flowering plants, lavender and jasmine, freshen the air with their fragrance, creates a pleasant atmosphere inside your home. Dwarf kaffir lime trees fills your home with fresh smell. Indoor plants help in less stress, restful sleep, and more success. Studies have shown that placing air purifier indoor plants at your home or in workplace have a positive effect on your psychological behavior. They help you distress and reduce fatigue. They provide you with increased amount of oxygen and removes toxins, thus improves concentration and enhance productivity. Lavender and jasmine release intoxicating scents, which can help you get a more restful sleep. The smell from these plants induces a state of tranquility that will help you prepare for a good night's sleep. Indoor plants lower background noise. Indoor plants also help to reduce the background noise. Plants absorb, diffract or reflect background noise, thereby making the environment more comfortable for occupants. Indoor plants that clean the air and remove toxins. Indoor plants play a crucial role in improving air quality by effectively filtering out toxins and purifying the surrounding environment. Plants such as the snake plant, spider plant, and aloe vera are known for their ability to remove harmful substances like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. These natural air purifiers not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of indoor space, but also provide us with cleaner and fresher air, promoting better health and well-being. Air purifying indoor plants are low-light plants. Some of the top performers of air purifying indoor plants are low-light plants. Peace lily, snake plants, pothos, Boston fern, Dracena, dumpkin, spider plants have ability to thrive in dimly lit areas. These air purifying plants create a healthier and more pleasant indoor environment by effortlessly removing pollutants and release oxygen, allowing us to breathe easier and enjoy the benefits of cleaner air. Let us know some of the best indoor plants for air purification process, and they are money plant, areca palm, aloe vera, Indian basil, spider plant, snake plant, peace lily, song of India, weeping fig, rubber plant, bamboo palm, etc. You can incorporate these indoor plants in your home for improving indoor climate control and enjoy a healthier life. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.